This is BTK. Go ahead, Mitch.
I'm BTK. I'm the founder of Exile Ryders. I'm just the founder now. I stepped down. I let these guys run it. I'm part of a stunt team now called WCC, West Coast Connections.
As you can tell outside,
you know what I'm saying?
How he's doing.
Best in the West. So I'm just kidding. They're not best in the West, but.
Shout out to Chris Cole Stars.
Love boy Chris Cole. We got Chris Cole, Matt Cole, Germs, and Kush, and myself doing the shows out there. But did it for Exile. You know, appreciate you guys having us out here.
Definitely.
So, yeah.
Shout out to Langston Motorsports for helping us out. You know, doing this bike night together. Appreciate it. You know, much love, much respect.
Yeah, a lot of love.
Also, Dunlop tires, GoPro. You know, show us all love. Michelin, Speed and Strength. Got to stay with it. You know it.
Yeah.
You know it.
Alpine.
Yep. And got to show mad love to my crew and everyone that showed up. Exile Ryders, baby.
So when did the group start?
Oh man, June 15th, 2010. It was a Thursday.
It was a Thursday.
I'm not even playing. It was a Thursday. I swear to God, it was a Thursday. We started just for a reason, just to ride, man. For a passion to put two wheels on the ground with no drama and just enjoy people's company, some good people, cool, hard fun, and no drama, and just made a family. You know, I mean, it's been good, been solid. You know, we have issues like every family does, right? But that's what makes us stronger in the end. So
we work through those kinks and we stay together. We show love, respect, and to other clubs.
Are we gonna admit we make love to each other too?
Yeah, well, only when we're drunk.
Oh, okay. All right. I was just making sure.
I need a couple shots.
Thank God for editing.
Yeah.
You gotta edit that.
That's going in.
Shop.
Damn it.
Shop.
Everyone know I'm gay now. It's BT gay.
What's the best memory you guys have of it? Like, you know, obviously you guys are close. What's the best memory?
Do you want to hear about the legal ones or the illegal ones? We'll go with the legal ones because we're on camera. My favorite memory, I would say, just honestly, I can't say there's particularly just one.
Right.
I want to say the bunch because
pretty much every time we're together, we say good memories.
Yeah.
So we keep our bond, we keep our
all the
loyalty with each other, the barbecues,
yeah,
the
barbecues,
rides,
taking care of the
fundraisers, the toy drives.
Nights like this.
Yeah, nights like these.
Yeah.
It was 104.
Getting everybody back together and we're sweating inside with AC.
Yeah. It's nuts.
Obviously, it's a lot of work. Who works the hardest?
Oh man.
You can't pinpoint directly. You can't pinpoint directly because everyone plays a role. Everyone plays their part, you know. And it's when those that don't carry their part tends to put the workload on. It spreads out. It spreads out.
I always say a council's like a sprocket, right? If there's a busted tooth, it's not really gonna roll right. So it takes everybody as a tooth and a sprocket to kind of make that chain drive, you know.
Because you get a team.
Yeah. 100%. 100%.
We always have a team.
I
sound like I ride bikes a lot for a living.
Sound like you ride with
Yep. No, I'm a gang member. A show.
But we do have some members that stand out more than others that put in a lot of work. For example, Diesel here. Put in a lot of work. Put a lot of work in this. Yeah.
It's kind of behind some of this, but you know, everybody came through. That's what really matters, and that's what Exile's all about. You know, everybody.
Oh, my bad.
It's about everybody coming together and making it happen, and that's what we did tonight, and we're gonna continue to do it. And we love this new partnership with Langston, man, and look forward to more.
Big shout out to GoPro because they're you know, so I appreciate that for all the love from GoPro.
Mad footage out there.
Mad footy. If you ain't rocking a GoPro, you're probably nothing shaky with GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro cool.
DJI though.
These are the boys right here.
DJI, you look like you got Tourette's, you know what I'm saying?
I was kind of rocking my DJI.
Hey, well,
I'm just saying.
I don't know, do my hands.
Well, thanks for coming out, guys.
Hey, we appreciate it.
Thanks, Langston, for having us. Appreciate you guys and everybody that
we look forward to further events.
Hell
definitely.
Yeah.
Langston, till next time.
Hell yeah.
Take a Red Bull. Cool. Thanks, man. five.